Welcome back to my channel, Winter Motors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw. And today begins another one of these adventures that requires setting off in the middle of the night. But this time I'm not going on epic adventures out of the country. Oh wait, I am going out of the country. I am heading down to Prague in Czech Republic. The reason I'm leaving in the middle of the night is because me, Adami, and Pfeiffer, who I'm meeting at a petrol station in about an hour, want to cross the border while no one's watching. And the reason for that, let's just say Corona.
Here's the boys. Yo! What happened to your bike? It's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be on the road.
Yeah, but it's not suitable in this state right now.
I see.
I don't even have an exhaust pipe over there.
Yeah, well, you don't need it. So grouped up with the guys now. It is just 3 past midnight and we're now heading towards Prague. Let's see when we get there. I have absolutely no idea when and how long time we need. I think my GPS said around 2 hours. I will imagine 3, to be honest. But let's see when we get there. I've driven from here to Prague once before on this very motorcycle, so it will be familiar roads for my Triumph. Here in Czech Republic, well, it is Harley Days in Prague, and that's why we're here. And you're probably wondering, Sean, you have a fucking Harley, but you drove your rat, your Triumph, to Harley Days. What the fuck? Well, we're doing a little show here, and my rat was needed. Here's our setup: bikes, cars, a whole area. Everything you see here runs and works and is completely real, nothing fake. Like this car here, my favorite, just absolutely amazing. But now I have to get ready, the event's about to open and I need to change the exhaust on my rat, because remember those short pipes I used to have on there, the ones that were way too loud? Well, they're my show pipes now, so I'm gonna put them on and use them here because it's a show. So let's go, let's change the exhaust. So short pipes are on, bike's lined up, got the flag on there to represent. She's looking and sounding good. Here's Adami's bike. It looks a little different now. I'll cut to a shot of him driving it and how it looked like before this. Looks quite a lot different. Ahoy! And that's my old drag bars that used to be on this. Looks really fucking good on there though. Good job on that one, Adami. Good fucking job. The daytime was chill and easy. I met up with some of the lads from the Leipzig crew to go check out a private vintage motorcycle collection. Some vehicles were damn cool, while others were unique. That was a pretty cool collection, and if the owner is watching this, I would love to take one of those old motorcycles, preferably one of the old Harleys, and do something crazy with it, like an extreme long distance ride on €100 motorcycle or something like that. So if you're watching, hit me up. But it wasn't before the sun went down when things just got crazy. You might even say a little out of hand. And as you all know, after crazy comes weird. So Pfeiffer sent me to the shopping mall here to buy 100 lighters. I'm not even joking. Yeah, I think this is gonna be one of the weirdest things I've ever gone in and asked for in a store. Hello. My friend sent me here to buy 100 of these. 100. 100.
No.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Weird request over. See ya. Okay, I didn't get 100. I got 25. He didn't give me enough money for 100. We don't understand the money here in Czech Republic. But still, the lady was extremely confused, as you maybe saw. Sorry, I only speak English. Yeah. No problem. And now back to deliver the weird request to Pfeiffer. After the lighters were delivered, Adami and I decided to go for a little ride on our bikes. After riding around, taking it all in, and avoiding the police, we found ourselves in the middle of a beer garden. Where we stole some drinks, and posed for a few pictures. But as all good times, they come to an end. Early morning in Prague, and it's time to leave. Got to meet up with the Leipzig crew. And we're not just leaving the wastelands, we're also leaving Harley Days in Prague. I must say, Harley Days in Prague, wow, that was that was fun. It was just so much to see and so much to do. Bars everywhere, always a party. Czech people, they know how to make a party, they know how to make a festival, they know how to have fun, and I'm glad I took part in it. I can't wait to come back, whether that's work or whether that's pleasure. It doesn't matter. I think, yeah, no, that doesn't matter. I will be back for sure.
I met up with the guys at their hotel, and after a quick coffee to try and cure a slight hangover caused by playing decapitated head golf all night, we jumped on our bikes and set course for home. Thanks for watching another video here at Winter Motors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw. And until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and all that good stuff. Bye bye.